Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to view deleted messages on Instagram using the data download. So you can do that whether if you are on the PC or website or even the application. So of course, you'd like to go basically to your settings, then to your activity, then click on download your information. Or if you want, you can directly go to the URL section and visit instagram.com/download/requests and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken here where you'll find download your information in account center. So you can go and click on continue and this will open a new tab. And simply from here, you can find current activity or scheduled, or just go and click on download or transfer information. For me, I'm just going to click on that. So here you can find some of your information. So your file will include the information you choose for the selected profiles or all informations. So you can go and choose this option and just go and look for messages because we would like to view deleted messages. Normally you can select whatever you want, but if you want just messages, just scroll down and you find here messages. You can even look for an example, something like another messages somewhere here or something like that. So for me, here is the only messages option. I'm just going to click on next. And you can click on download to device or transfer to destination if you want to. For me, I'm just going to download it right here. And as you can see, I'm just going to create a file. But of course, before doing so, it's better to choose JSON formats. It's better than HTML. And you can choose here an example, media quality. If you want medium, high, an example may take longer to download and stuff like that. Medium is enough. If you want, you can use high if you want to. And you can notify, an example, the email. Or if any other email is linked, you can notify it as well. So you can also choose date range. That will do it as an example, but don't want to do it like regular. So just go and click on create files right here. So when your download is ready, they will send you an example everything. So your information is being prepared for download. We'll let you know when it's ready. And of course, they will let you know on your email. So Instagram will email you a download link, and this will take from a few minutes up to 48 hours, depending on your account size. So if you have multiple information, if you're using an account for too much, you will need to wait a lot. And basically, as we said, they will send you a link. So for example, here, this is just a new login. I'll just wait when they send me a link. When they send you a link, they'll send you, of course, a download link. You will receive a zip file. You can just go and download that zip file and extract it to your PC or phone if you're using your phone. Then you'll have to locate the messages in the folder. You can open the extracted folder, and since for us we choose just messages, you will not get lost. You'll find messages. You can just go and double click on that, then click on inbox, and you'll find the chat folder, whatever chat folder, and you will find like message1.json, and you will see like a full history of that chat in a raw text format, including messages that may have been deleted from the app visible chat list. But this only shows messages Instagram still retains on its server. If a message was permanently deleted before syncing, it may not appear. And just some important reminders that you might want to know, and this is an official and legal method provided by Instagram. And it won't restore photos/videos that were instant, example by anybody like you or any other person on the chat, and only text messages may show up. And there are no guaranteed and deleted tricks beyond this unless using third-party apps, which are often risky or unreliable. So for you, just wait your time. They'll send you an email with the link to download the zip file. Just go and zip the file and you'll find the messages that you want. Also the deleted ones if they sell on the server. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.